I was just so sick, I was so dizzy, I couldn't drive, and I was having 3 to 5 episodes of that a week, and I had a headache every day when I was diagnosed.
56-year-old Stephanie Weaver is one of the 38 million Americans suffering from migraine headaches. Medications help, but as she started tracking what she ate and making lifestyle changes, she noticed a difference.
So one of the things you say to avoid is sugar.
Right, so avoiding sugar is important because sugar is inflammatory. And when we have inflammation in our body, our brains are also inflamed. And an inflamed brain is more likely to trigger into a migraine. So reducing sugar as much as possible is really important. So what I encourage people to do is use stevia, which is a natural plant-based sweetener. So you see I'm getting some really nice color. That red is really coming out. And this is another example of eating the rainbow. So you're getting these different phytonutrients or plant-based chemicals with the reds and the greens. So I'm gonna have you start mixing this. We're making a creamy Nutella carob butter. So it's like Nutella.
So it's not Tella.
Not Nutella,
Instead of Nutella.
Wink, wink. Yeah, so this is carob powder instead of cocoa powder, and I'm gonna have you put in the melted coconut oil. And the reason we use that is because coconut oil is an excellent fat for the brain. And then we're using a liquid stevia, which you can go ahead and add as soon as you want to do that. And that's in place of sugar because sugar can be inflammatory.
Right.
So this is a 5-ingredient recipe.
It looks decadent.
It is actually really decadent, and it's something you can actually even keep in your desk. So it's something you can have apples or gluten-free bread or rice cakes or something.
Those are great ideas, and getting those good fats and the other nutrients in without it being, something depressing to eat that you don't want.
Who wants that?
Nobody wants that.
Nobody wants that.
What did you bring with us?
So I brought for you guys to try one of the top recipes from the book. It's creamy Nutella carob butters.
Okay, so there's no nuts in it.
No nuts in it.
Sweetness in there.
Yes, so there's stevia instead of sugar for the sweetness. It's got hemp seeds and sunflower seeds instead of hazelnuts. Coconut oil to make it creamy, and coconut oil is really good for your brain. And then the carob instead of chocolate. So, but it's pretty chocolatey.
Super good.